Are you a small business owner who wants to take your business to mind-blowing heights? Look, I've got some tips for you. What I've found is that many people tend to work in the business. They're down in the trenches, day to day, slogging hard. And what they don't do is to work on the business. That helicopter view, where you have an overall strategic outlook of the vision, so that you can see ahead rather than just seeing just where you are today. And many people I found tend to work in the business for 50 to 70 hours a week, and they don't have a team where they allocate work to them and then therefore they oversee the team. The big thing that you need to really work on your business instead of working in your business is systems, processes, and controls. And more importantly, you need to hire a team. What I have found is that many people they have that kind of a scarcity mindset, that they think if I hire a team, it's going to cost me money. But if you want to take your business to a next level, you've got to hire a team. And there are some resources that I use. I want to give them to you as well. Things like Upwork or FreeUp, even Fiverr. There is so much other resources. If you want more resources, get in touch. I will share those with you. But more importantly, you've got to write a job description, and you've got to define exactly what are the deliverables you have for that team. And then you put in place some KPIs. How do you monitor the performance? I mean, look, since I've actually jumped out and started building my business to mind-blowing heights, I've created a small team. I've hired and fired people already, because ultimately, if people are not hitting the KPIs, you've got to get rid of them. But there are many people, many business owners like you, who have a team with people who are not doing the job that they were hired for. I'm telling you, in these challenging times, you've got to get rid of them. Okay, let's say you have a team and you have allocated the responsibilities and you have KPIs and they're doing really well. The next thing is you've got to be making surplus income in your business. Your business is not just there so that you can barely make some profits. No, the reason why you're in business is to make profits, but more importantly, to make surplus income so you can become an investor. Because ultimately, business owners are when you have systems and processes. But a business owner is when you have money working for you. That money is an income generating assets. And even while you sleep, you're still making income. Most of the big companies that I've worked for, they all invest the money that they make from operations into assets. They get investment income. And even though interest rates are low, you can still make a good return if you choose the right assets to invest in. That's exactly what I help people to do it. My name is Royston Cumberbatch, and I've got over 20 years experience working in financial services. But before that, I've been working in the Caribbean with hundreds of entrepreneurs and business owners. I've been teaching people and mentoring people in finance and accounting. And I've got a career that spanned 30 years. And I've created a profitable business blueprint that has 5 modules. Things like motivation, how to manage your finances, how to monitor your business, how to market and multiply your money, and most importantly, how to just make more money. I call it the money model. So look, if that's you, if you want to take your business from just you working in the business to you working on the business, to making surplus income, to invest in income generating assets, then get in touch. Just click the follow button. Click the like button if you like this video. Even share the video, because I'm here and I want to help people like you to take your business to the next level. Go ahead now and click the link below, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye-bye.